Hello friend, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can do conditional rendering in React. With the help of list, I want to show you how we can do conditional rendering in React. You see the output. We have seen this output in previous video also, that we have the welcome to the channel, watch videos of following playlist on YouTube channel or my YouTube channel, and we have a playlist of this. Now I want to display this as a conditional. I can say that Android video, okay, save it, and we will see that automatically we are giving a list, but it's not a conditional. We have a value here and we have the output. So I want to do conditional rendering. For that I create one function here and I say we can create a function inside a function in JavaScript. So just I create one function here and I say conditional rendering like this, and here I say const, I say list equal to, I say if len dot length equal to 0, that means we do not have any value. Then I display here something else. What I can display? I render information that list is empty. Okay. Else what I do? Else I do this coding. I just cut this and I copy here and I return list like this. We have this coding here and we have this here. Now I call this function here and I say conditional rendering like this, and I save it and try to execute, and you see we have a same list. But if I make this list empty, I just cut all the value from this, save it, and I try to execute it. You see list is empty. So message is coming here, list is empty. But if I again paste this value and save it, then automatically we have the list. This is the pure example of conditional rendering with the help of list. You see we are doing conditionally all the things, and with the help of this function we are performing the conditional rendering in React. I think you understand this concept in this video. If you really understand the concept, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching this video.